Hi, for awa ewo krom hanwo ho. Ebi ba Ghana, on be di omo ho saa. Ghana for be chere say awa banti 4 legs. Nazo ha ye ni ehu blanket ashe duvet ase na eja nipa share. Anyway, let's go to more important issues. Say ye nyina be ka no krepa. Mampani a oye tolerant pa. Eye mampani John Dramani Mahama. Munyina mo yawe. Ensembe na yan kan fa Mahama ho. Ateni be na ye di Mahama. There's not even a point in time. Mampani Mahama ano. Na ne sa behavior no amagana fo binum afa ne se mampani Mahama ye weak empo ama ene ebinum enam social media say NDC a weak party. All because they have chosen to be tolerant and also not to just follow anything at all. Munti na muntie miye. Minimu se sa boy ya chini se fante hwan e ka mampani Mahama nko anke enche no. Believe you me e ka mampani Mahama nko kama me lodi na krabe chese o munya no we oyakwada onim ne o ka munya no. Now it's said the nation bigger. Chairman Mampani Mahama na Mampani Mahama empese obe interferenti because was say you build your mind in such a way say Mampani wo ho Mampani ni ho the systems must work. And until I make a chere with sa boy ya chini Mampani Mahama enim ho hwe mra system ena adwuma muntira mutie ni ye. So it baffles me to see the NPP coming out to defend. One say, let me chip this in. Over the years, almost na social media trying so hard to convince Ghana for say a NDC and attack Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor, ne jumedi awudi na over the years no jandam fui at na social media. A painty picture bi atu Ghana for adwemu say NDC aban empo ebi se Mampani Mahama ena attack Kevin Taylor chi na so Kevin Taylor enya asem mehu se NDC ni pani bi eba bontin defending Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor had to pass through the law and a law no vindicating no. Senka Kevin Taylor ekojina court no udifo the law would have taken hold of him. Anka NDC enyinem ema Kevin Taylor. I can say this for a fact. Now someone says this small boy calling himself Fante Hwan on say ye chain no and the NPP empanifo nyina eti social media defend no. Na say sa boy no ne jumadi a wodi edi adanse say ba o meanim hu bi NPP empanifo na eta na chi because anye sa edi enti na NPP empanifo suddenly enya platform wa ye defend the boy no. Internet say omo a eti social media threaten Mahama ibeku Mahama ebese nyina no ba o meanim hu bi NPP empanifo na eta sa afo na chi. But you can't say the same for us. Me nya asem a man hwe here apart from mo amutie me ebia mo betina social media there be yempene free mind ni apart from mo I can say this say NDC high ranking penny bia sorry enka say free him ibinsi. But you see near ekoso miracles abuaje ene Justin Kodua edin nsem bi atodwa concerning near SC sa Fante Hwan na ya che no. Any omu na SC say arrest bi a ekoso a enye mra kwan so yenti omu the first person you can say miracles abuaje na say yetie no wi a yakotie sem so a Justin Kodua so aka. Now I'll give you my briefing.
The CID, the national security, listen, you're not doing the government any good. You're not doing the government any good. Release fancy comedy, release PAY, release say Obama Pukwase. Listen, if for whatever reason you feel that they've done something that is problematic, invite them, charge them, present them before courts, let the laws deal with them. But have you seen the pictures of Obama's room? They broke the door. Like the door is broken, and they forcibly entered the room and basically abducted the guy. You understand? I mean, this is not democracy.
Yeah.
You understand? And this is even dangerous for all of us.
Arrest them. Charge them. Miracles can. The referee say, sa arrest any charge in nano chance here from picking the person, interrogating the person to understand. Enyina so ntia nipa no ede yes ade na oye na so kwasia we abetena se kire say yen free omo yen nyai omo obi abetena social media attracting mampani Mahama life anya hwe krampo no so betena social media e kire say meku mampani Mahama etwa de yiri ti ahyeboto mu a wadi mampani Mahama tem wadi nagusuan nyina tem menua hwe yenye amanyosem seyo. You people under your watch. Omo amochechechi omo. Empo obi bia ni hwa otena social media kire se beku ekufuwa no. Omo amoche won. Captain Smart muni ade. Ni ana omo ya ne se. Enioma na ekoso aban no mu ana omo ani enye ho ena na ye ka. Ralph munyina ebi ne galamsey ho da muni ade nyina mochi nkofo igu. Esa se NDC ebu mranti. NDC ansori anka say and dey tina galamsey fo no machi omo ena munya omo ena say ni NDC ampre asemu a NDC kan dey say in say nka mo chi san nkofo we then why don't you fight galamsey? Because the anti nkofo ikasa because of galamsey. So the problem is there. Why do you jump the problem and go for those who are advocating for the problem to be solved? These were the words of the NDC. Obia betina media mu enkwadanke tuwa bi abetina media mu insulting the presidency, threatening the life of a sitting president, the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Nasene yensa kankofu ya all you can say ne say yenyai omo na ebinom na media mu ede ebone no omo aye enfan kosia this is all you can say yenyai omo enye moa na se modwen ye mu say sa nyema wei ena Ghana fo begina so ede ato abetia NDC a mo bodam muntie ni ye eya ho se mo babonten ka ensem bi say ya go through the comments eno ba kirew mo nsem na mo kan ye de wa Ghana fo esi afa no eya mo kenkan comments is very important. We are social media here. Reading comments no eboa say wo chia you know. Oh yeah the panso you know. Enti here mo kan comments. Miracles yen kasasa. They don't talk like that. These people said openly say munyina na mo ye meeting. They were aware of the meeting. Mo na mo plot ye e ma chopa no kwhwe ase. You haven't passed the comments. Same way ene motu a moye freedom no. Anko say the whole party NPP. Mo babon tempo ye press conference. Nanka mo distant mo ho from sansem na enkwadai kan yi because enkwadai they brought out a wild allegation against you the NPP kire say yen ye planning and penifo ne planning na ye ka ho bi. Say Mahama was the target. And I ma play no be form. As a party, mumma bonting and distant him, but rather you are coming out to defend Ghana and penifone Ghana mran in sa akasa uncle for na a cancer asem no empo a cancer asem no tomu so. There's a nyansani bia dream, nyansani bia betias yes, and no cresse. Chopper na a koshiase, my catch them say NPP ni mubi. There is a possibility. Because if say sankwa that way, I can say same way. Now say all you can do is to defend them with their and na minua anokwa ampa if baby free NPP nim hu bi enti ye promo a e wasen ka ye question ye enti atwopa no kwhwe ase a is supposed to be you the NPP ye mu mansa ni amu ye you are rather trying to incur the anger of the people. Yeah, when you come out and talk like this, understand the fact is say those who are going to be against your foolish talk about 65% of the people. because and mampani Mahama the rating echo higher than time wa yeto aba last year. Mampani Mahama nya saying 57 plus and a 65%. T. Oh, yenye amano say. After yentie Justin Kodua. Before that, you know, Mamenka will say so abruchiri. Na so pese umaniska eko Ghana nko adia. System mu na say application chairman asan say mun use ebebu amu lemfi. Referral code ube here e was we use is very important. If you fail to use the referral code, lemfi will never know say it's through my referral that you are using lemfi. Timo ya try as much as possible to key in referral code Freemind. I'll leave a link in the comments and description of this video, and also no link to obetimi afaso and download the lemfi. In case so you so link download the there and you will hear a referral code be the only time we will be here code say if you go just direct to Play Store or Apple Store to download that and I will be here referral code, but who you so me link the there we here referral code be because the link itself is coded. Thank you so much. Entino wahu nia momrana yentie Justin Kodua so semua ono so aka na yenda vidiba
ye dwene ye nyina awreho ato man esu ato man na ye dwene ho no we na ndisa ma pese ye waste your time kan wase esa na kwame eyi sa ehumobro ne adwene ye nyina ye dwene nyina afi ho ona ekwa koya mayesem esa koye NPP nya ndisi sem kwene metina he ene ho command ne se bobo ese ye kasem papa se o se be bi o manaduri akonhye esi ye no ye ne ye ya afa ho na wotwe a etwam class na konhye besi enwomofra be 16 omakonya konhye wuyaya ene konhye esisi wo mem antinifo mu wo mem ha enti ne nyina no man no da bi aduru eya abradwene ntiase so ese ne nyina ye nkambum NPP NDC ye kɔ ekotodwe no ye nsum fa awurade sempo bɔne bompa na eno mmempo na abɔ man no so a enye 3 days of fasting kwa me wa on fasting ye nyina ye nkɔ ye bi na ye mbo ama oman no enti nkɔ na nim
Justin Kodua NDC by 7 months mueni anamboa ade na esia yenti bi da enome abesen Ghana man no so a ye hia mpaibo bibisaw say enkwada 16 enya nkwanhia mate chopa baako akonya nkwanhia nti enome sensen oman no so ye hia mpaibo mate Elia mi bisa mo say most mumre so a dynamite ekoto ye ewa apiate ema nipa hundreds of people ibi 90 ibi ensa etwa ye no samre no na eye nyame nhira ene ma saade ne si ya na se na eye no me na eye no me a eno no empaibo ben ena ye boye eno nkoda nchen mu bi edam Emma efa volta nipa hwe ye nkwa ye japade ya dan ye mfuo eseye eno so na aye no me ana se eno so na de ya bibisaw mu akasa mu MP equal Hayford enya akankwanhia wuye eno so na aye no me ana na bibi na esi ana ye hu bi da ko formre so onya akankwanhia ka Gaddafi to ma no odinya nkwanhia wo ahya your friends oh opa bia house heya silver starter wanchen ho a traffic light na ehwa na kofo nya sa kan nkwanhia no eno so ye beka ne say na eye no me na esen Ghana fo so ana say na den mibisa mo how crowded girls under your watch na kofo me se kofo kasoa yesi ye twa ebi kwate sebi ye twa ebi twani ade we nyina ba media mu eno so na ye no me na Ghana hia mpaibo anase na eden na under your watch no kan kwanhia esi Ghana ha bebrebe no between Accra ne Kumasi eni ade eno so na no me anase na eden ya ye nkasa sa the problem is say enkwada bi abetna social media enye atenie bi ana ye di mampani Mahama atem eno no me gidi pa se NDC ni achiri empo mesi we kura mpo no e kamampani Mahama nko a we kaya nchi omo nanso e system na e adwumentia ya hwe ya se mampani Mahama mpo tia obeka se let them go home nya omo mampani Mahama emfa sa nyoma we to be anything muntie ni ye mampani Mahama we emfa ne ho to be anything because mampani Mahama ni musesa ankwada ketwa we they are not in any way a threat to him, to his presidency, to his leadership, and that's a fact. And so for the mere fact they say, Omunya akokodru, ebetina social media accusing you the NPP. Say money omu ena eya adwenkro ena chopa no moko see san kwanhia no. Enti just by uttering these words no, and more NPP who Emma just sabio muyemu nhyebo say enkwada bi abetina social media mentioning your name just say NPP communicators plot say sabi you ebeku mampani Mahama na ye ka ho na we die ya messe na next time no ya messe ebeku Mahama ahyebotom etwa ne yiriti they mentioned you the NPP muyemu nhyebo ho. And you rather come out in say as a party yet here 1-2 press conference 1-2 press conference half an marking Justin Kodua near to form press conference in say as a party in Kawe so what you know how to do best press conference Beba Bonte Abe press conference rebuking those kids and distancing yourself. You are rather coming to fight for them. Say I omunye boni bienti no yenya yomo na ba bia Ghana man no abedru ehe na edro a momre so enu Justin Kodua ehe fa ena Ghana man no edru a momre so enu eyamna ketia phase 2 ayensi akwan ayanye so ame interchange ayanye Crowflow market ayanye takrade interchange ayanye Sagrami ya ye jano mani say ye na SC 7 months ya momre so ebiansi. You see? Me catch them say semoda na semo sorry ya. Fasho otiri mu say your biggest enemy as a nation is your NPP. Trust me, believe you me. Me catch them say sewoda now sorry ya. Ti ase fasho otiri mu say your biggest enemy is NPP. Sa party no. Eno nti na Ghana enkoso. Meka we ya. Me more dam. Meka say ensu enjina me no menim ni America. Your biggest enemy is NPP. Ye promo a empema ya NPP. Dirty politics. Partisan politics. Enkwasi amanyosem. Moyemu nhyemo. So ampa say NDC na nkwofo bi betina social media kire say enkwanhia biasi this is a national disaster enkwanhia biasi ti na sankwanhia no NDC ni mhu bi na ye ne NDC mpanifo na e plan ya ka enni 24 hours NDC be kasa are distancing themselves yenye amanosem sa na so mo de insesenka mo ba bontin mo ba distante mo ho no ba rather mo defend o mo a ekire se o mo ne mo e na eya adwe cross yen crash Mahama na yenku no. What a party. All this for power. All this in the name of politics. It yenku a whole family. Just like that. Na ebia say yeku Mahama mpoa automatically no yebetam Ghana akonwa edi amaba omia ana ase den amano sem a yeye da chinchirima o amano sem a yeye nti yenku Mahama mampani mu a mampani a 57% of the people amuna mo siese mu buo edi tumi ahye ne nsa yenku no entwa ne yiriti enfa ne nhye botom enkwadanke to bi abetina social media aka same way involving you the NPP kire say omonemu na e plan ye mo plan no na won wo hobi na ene empanimfo party mu mpanimfo sore ya understand ye ho but rather no sansem na nkwada ne kan aye no ye defend it. Defending nkra say ai nkra no nya body bia enti no ye nyai omo. I'll leave it here for discerning Ghanaians, conscious Ghanaians, non-partisan Ghanaians, non-tribal Ghanaians who want the betterment of this nation. And the Lord who watches over this nation to be the judge. Nyamia na omane buama esomo no. Nyamia na mutala Muhammad esomo no. Nyamia omo a yewu ye nyina asomo no. Me jai sa asebu ma no. Say let them be the judge. Now I know for sure say NDC will surely get to the root of this issue. I know for sure. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Yebusianfo, may the movie see asenya mu nyina mu nim bidin the chairman Freemind. Enjoy the rest of your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Makram.